Alright, so I want to show you one way that you can extend an HVAC ducting system very easily. So you are trying to add two ventings to this floor area here. So the insulated 4x10 air connector is designed for wherever a UL 8181 standard for class 1 air connector is needed. It's suitable for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. There is a 2-ply polyester laminated inner core, and it provides pretty outstanding resistance and durability. Unlike the aluminum ones, it's very flexible, so you're not going to tear it that easily. So that is the big bonus of using these ones. If you've ever touched a pipe, like right now for example, it's a little warm. So that warmth obviously that's radiating off this pipe is going somewhere. And if it's locked up behind the walls, well then it's losing. You're losing the heat basically. So the one way of combating that is to wrap it out in this plastic, and then that's going to hold that heat. So by the time it actually gets to the outlet register, you're going to get the most heat possible. So this does come in different lengths. Again, this one is 4. Shows you how to use it. It's actually quite simple. You just cut it to the size that you want, right? And then you use the metal clamp to tighten it up. If you don't have that, then you can buy yourself this. So this whole thing is basically for HVAC systems, and you use this to wrap it around so you don't actually lose heat. And one other great reason to use this is that if you're in basements and there's condensation and you don't have this, then you're gonna get condensation leaking down on drywall, and then you're gonna get mold. Yeah, so that's another reason to use that.